You are watching the Country Bear Collector Show, and today on the show, ladies and gentlemen, we are taking a look at this 1972 Disneyland Bear Country press kit folder. Now, this is just a folder. That's all we're looking at today. But this folder in 1972 held the press kit with all the information about Bear Country, the newest land at Disneyland. It says Disneyland's newest land, Bear Country press kit. Now, over the years, I have slowly but surely been assembling a complete press kit. I haven't got, it's not complete yet, but I'm getting pretty close. But anyway, the press kit would have some information about the land. It would have some photos and things like that that would be given out to, well, the press. Now, this one, when I bought it, it came with a bunch of the pictures that were included. So you got some black and white 8x10s, perfect for autographing, or, you know, the newspaper folks would use these to put pictures in the paper. But anyway, it comes in this folder, and so as I slowly assemble pieces, I'll be reviewing them here on the show. But man, I like this a lot. Disneyland's newest land, Bear Country press kit. It's got that beautiful artwork on the front of the 5-bear rug. The rest of it is pretty, you know, lackluster. I mean, it's just an empty folder. There's nothing inside of it, at least right now. But I love this, and I've said it on the show before. I love things that are from when Bear Country opened at Disneyland. It was the debut of the Country Bears at Disneyland, and I love anything that goes along with it. I like this a lot. I'm going to give it 4 paws. What do you think about this item? Let me know in the comments below or over at the Country Bear Collector Show Facebook page. And friends, if you like the show, make sure you subscribe to the show. That way you'll get new episodes the moment they are released. And give us a big old thumbs up on social media. That way we know you love the Country Bear Collector Show. Well, that's going to do it for this time. I'm going to get back to work trying to fill this up. I will talk to you next time right here on the Country Bear Collector Show.
If you enjoyed the show, give us a like and click the subscribe button. If you'd like to see the show continue, consider supporting Saturday Morning Media via Patreon at patreon.com/Saturday Morning Media. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.